Students, our next topic is algebraic expression of consumption function or saving function for numericals. For numerical expression, this is also known as Keynesian psychological law of consumption. For numericals, consumption function C is equal to C bar plus By. Here C is equal to consumption, C bar is equal to autonomous consumption. Autonomous consumption means consumption at zero level of income. Zero level of income. This is also known as minimum consumption level. Then D stands for the value of MPC and Y stands for income. Actually, this is national income. Now, for numerical, let us put the values in this equation. Suppose that national income is 1000 crore rupees, minimum level of consumption is 200, the value of MPC is 0.5. Then by putting all these value in this equation, we have to derive consumption. C is equal to minimum level of consumption 200 plus 0.5, that is the value of MPC multiplied by 1000, and ultimately we will obtain consumption 700 crore rupees. We can also express it with the help of a diagram. 45-degree angle. This is the income level of the economy. Then consumption, CC is the consumption, and this is the minimum level of consumption. Actually, this is C bar. C bar stands for minimum level of consumption, and this is the intersection point of consumption and income. So C is equal to C bar plus By. On this level, before this income level, consumption is less than income, and after that consumption is more than income, and after the equilibrium level consumption is less than income. This is the break-even point, also known as break-even point. Means all the consumption, all the income that would be consumed in the economy. And next one is saving function. For saving function, we have to derive saving. Y is equal, because of income is a summation of consumption plus savings, and we have to derive saving. Saving is equal to income minus consumption, और S is equal to Y माइनस, अब यहाँ जो C है, C की वैल्यू, ये वाली पुट कर रहे हैं हम, C बार प्लस By, और S is equal to माइनस C बार, इसको इधर लेके इसे ब्रैकेट में पुट करेंगे, Y माइनस C बार, इसको ब्रैकेट को ओपन करेंगे तो ये माइनस By, और S इज इक्वल टू माइनस C बार, ये प्लस है, प्लस Y माइनस By, और सेविंग्स इज इक्वल टू माइनस C बार प्लस, यहाँ Y जो है ये 1 है, Y को हमने कॉमन ले लिया, 1 माइनस B. Here B stands 1 minus B. Here B stands for the value of MPC की वैल्यू है, और यहाँ 1 minus B stands for 1 minus MPC, that would be equivalent to MPS. So this is the equation for the derivation of saving. We can also explain it with the help of example. National income, suppose that national income is 2000 crore rupees. Save minimum level of saving, that is minus 200. ये autonomous saving है, it means saving at zero level of income. The value of MPC is 0.75. If the value of MPC is 0.75, then the value of MPS will be 0.25. By putting the value in this equation, we get minimum level of consumption 200. ये small s stands for MPS multiplied by 2000, and this will be the value of saving. We can also derive the saving curve. At zero level of savings, there will be dis-savings. Dis-saving means negative savings, और ये जो shaded area है ये negative savings है. Here savings are zero, or beyond this level savings are positive. Negative savings, zero savings, or positive savings. So that's all regarding this saving function. I have written the formula related to different derivations through which you can derive numericals easily. So that's all regarding these numericals. You can calculate easy numericals with the help of this formula.